They make it so much easier to buy a car here. We can just sit down. We told them we had to be out in a half hour, and we were in, car, out in a half hour. It was awesome.
Ryan's a nice, convenient place to come get a new Ford, and the hours are flexible. They're open 7 days a week for us. Some of the other dealerships, they shoot themselves in the foot on that because they're not open as much as Bryan Ford is.
I felt very comfortable here. It was a good first experience. I didn't feel out of place.
It was better than what we expected.
Yeah, it really was.
Now that sounds like a real cliche, but it really was. And that's one of the reasons we bought it immediately instead of going and thinking about it, is the money. The numbers were good.
It was a good experience.
Yeah.
So we've always had a lot of good experiences here.
Right, and we would definitely recommend Bryan Ford.
There's no stress associated with buying a vehicle. You know you're not going to get ripped off. You come in, you have a flat price, and you leave with a vehicle. And it's a very stress-free situation.
With having that pressure be gone, you're able to kind of be more focused on the car and, check out all the different cool features that maybe you wouldn't really have noticed until like a month after you got home with it.
We tell every one of our friends to come here. This is our second one, we say, and we'll probably be buying more just from here.
The place is just phenomenal. They take good care of you, and it's the right place to be.